you doing? It is 25th December. It is Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas and see you in 2019. Maybe I should even sing a song for you. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, so in case you are new here, my name is Idorenyin.francis or Idorenyin.francis, anyone. So today is actually 25th December. So today, my initial plan was for me to sit in bed, watch Netflix, watch YouTube videos, get inspiration and create other content. But here am I'm going to the salon today because I missed my appointment yesterday because I had deliveries to do. So I had to go deliver palm oil and crayfish that I sell to a customer yesterday. I also went to the market and all of that. So today is my salon day. I'm going to make my nails. I'm going to show you my toenails when I get to the salon. Trust me, it is not even a ladylike. This is because I actually have a huge phobia for salons. I don't like salons. So once I paint my nails and escape, my God, it takes a lot of time before I really like go back to the salon. So I'm actually gonna do a quick something of what I'm going with to the salon. Okay, first here I have this book by Brian Tracy. I just started reading good books, inspirational book, motivational business books recently, and this is one of my favorites so far. This book inspires me and exposes me to a lot of things that I never knew about life. Reading this book have actually made me to appreciate my life, be more thankful, be more caring, be more open, and have a very positive mind. So I'm not done reading it, so I'm just gonna go to the salon. So while the guy is actually doing that, instead of me fiddling my phone, I'll be reading this No Excuses, 21 Ways to Achieve Lasting Happiness. Believe me, if you have not read this book, I will recommend this for you. Okay, there's a hand cream from Lancome Paris. I'm gonna leave the name in the description box. I got this one as a gift for, oh my God, I can't remember the number of years again, but trust me, this should be over 5 years, if not 5 years. Okay, so it has a very sweet scent. So the weather is actually very dry in Abuja here. We're in the Harmattan season, dry season. So after taking care of my nails and all of that, I'm actually going to use this. And one thing I applied on my face is this Pivage anti-aging triple defense shield sunscreen SPF high protection from Elizabeth Arden. I don't know if you are living in Nigeria or anywhere else, especially in Abuja, that the temperature right now is 36 degrees Celsius. You need a sunscreen, any sunscreen of your choice. If not, you're actually going to be having dark your face and all of that. So you need to get a sunscreen. I really like this sunscreen because it disappears into the skin and actually make the skin, it makes my skin feel very soft, very soft. Believe me, it does. I really like it, so I'll strongly recommend you get this Pivage. I bought this at Perfect Trust for I think about 5,500 or 6,000 naira. So you could go check them out. You can get any sunscreen of your choice. If you want, I could actually do a review on how this thing is. Okay, so it has a brush. It has a place where you can off and you on, and if you want, I can do a review of this sunscreen for you. But one thing I have to tell you about this sunscreen, like my turn off, is that if it gets into my eyes, man, the thing was past pepper. Like, don't even allow it to get into your eyes. I don't know why it's like that. I can't really tell since I'm not big on sunscreen. I don't know whether other sunscreen are like that, but this particular one gets into my eyes. I'm dead. Like, I'm dead. Okay, so that is just it. And as for my glasses, I don't know who likes it. So I got this one yesterday on the traffic. I got it for 700 naira and I really love it. I'm actually learning French. Okay. Oh my God, am I forgetting my French? Excuse me. Je m'appelle Idorenyin.francis, je suis Nigérian, je viens de Akwa Ibom, j'habite à Abuja. Bon, félicitations. I speak better French than that, okay? Good tidings I bring for you and for me. Good tidings I bring for you and for me. I want to spend my time living in Abuja. I really love this place. Like, I love it. I don't want to live in Lagos. I don't want to live in Port Harcourt because of the traffic. I cannot deal with traffic. Abuja is a place that you can run 20 errands in a day and nobody will feel it. Oh my god, this place is closed. Okay, I think I should switch the camera so that you can actually see. Okay, so I'm just around Banex Plaza and the whole place is deserted because of the celebration. The gate I actually wanted to enter from is locked, so I have to look for another gate to get to where I'm going. I just have to. I'm not boring you guys with this vlog. I'm actually learning my hands on how to vlog, so you can actually see how Abuja is. Like I mentioned earlier, I really love this town. Like, from the first time I came to Abuja in 2009, I said to myself, this is where I must be. Then I was living with my elder sister, now late of blessed memory. May God continue to bless her and keep her soul. Okay, so I lost her in 2016. Like, it's okay, 2017, that's when I lost her. So I was living with her then in Port Harcourt. I came to visit my elder sister here, who was a core member, and I saw this beautiful city. I've never seen such a city in my entire life, and I said to myself, this is where I belong. I remember that is the same statement I made. So then I was schooling in Federal Polytechnic Nekede, Owerri. So after my ND, I came here for my IT, and I moved out from my sister's place and I started living in Abuja officially in 2010. Okay, I've seen the guy, and since then I've been loving this town. I never went back to Port Harcourt except on a visit and all of that. So if you live in Abuja, let me know what you like about Abuja, or you live in other cities, let me know what you like about other cities. Okay, so he's gonna come in. Too holy? No. Yeah, sure. Morning. Morning. Do you want to join my vlog? Come in.
See my shop there.
Which one?
The woman never open. Since you tell me say
okay, so say hi to my subscribers. Tell them to subscribe. Are you shy? I'm about to take your business global and you're just doing them like this. Okay, so
hi guys. I go by the name Too Holy.
Too Holy.
Yeah.
So he's gonna make my nails, and he has done my nails once. I'm not a nail person, so I do once and I run away. So he's gonna take care of my nails, and after that I'll show you how it looks like, and I'll also leave his details in my description box so that you can actually check it out. Okay, so Too Holy, let's go so that we can start work. % discounts for Christmas. I actually got some bananas that I'll be using for my oat smoothie. I forgot to mention this. My customer, I saw a customer that I've actually bought something from her on Instagram, and she actually gave me some money as a Christmas gift. God, I am so happy. So thank you so much. I don't want to mention her name here, but I know if she sees this video, she's actually going to, like, if she sees this video, she will know that she's the one. I'm just seeing her for the first time. Like, I was so excited. We bumped into each other at the rack and she just said, let me do Christmas for you. Like, I felt so happy. And I actually forgot, this is my nails, how it actually looks like. I don't fix nails anymore because those things are actually, I don't know what to say. I mean, it's not something I'm comfortable with doing anymore. So I actually painted red on my, I'm trying to, like, okay, oh no. So I actually painted red, and this is lovely. Red is actually my favorite color. I love red a lot and I missed it. So when I get home, I'm gonna show you how my toenails look like. I'm also going to leave the details of the guy that made my nails. His name is Too Holy. You can check him out on Instagram. He does nails very well. Then you guys can tell. He's actually at Banex Plaza. So I got this. I'm back home now. So let's look at. So I bought this Relish, yeah, chicken extravaganza from Indomie instant noodles. It says it has real chicken chunks in it. I don't know, from the beginning of this video I've been lamenting that I'm hungry, so I'm ready to try this out. Like, I'm starving. I am not a noodles person, but I just want to try this out. Okay, it should be the normal way of cooking noodles, but I think this is quite big. I'm gonna ask my younger sister if she will eat. Then if she's gonna eat, I'll just go ahead and prepare everything. So if she won't eat, I won't bother. So this is how it looks, just like normal noodles. So I have the water on fire already, so it's already boiling. So I'll just put them that inside. Yeah, I don't like cracking my noodles, but I'm just gonna do this shit too. Then let's check what is inside. Oh, okay, it comes with this, you can see some dried chicken, and this is dried sausage. This I will call a sauce, stew, I don't know. And this is obviously chili. So okay, so I just finished preparing the noodles, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so let me just do a quick review. This is the sauce that I think this should actually be stew or sauce, anyone you choose to call it. This thing is really very spicy. So if you don't like pepper, I think you should not even use up to half of it. Just keep adding a little. And it also came with another seasoning cube here. It's a chili chunks. So I didn't even open this because this was already too spicy, so I wouldn't want to add this again. And I think what I'm actually gonna say is that it says here it has real chicken chunks, which is actually true, but there were actually very few of that. And it has some sausage, that's chicken sausage. Mine, I had to spice it up by adding some carrot and green pepper to it, and I boiled an egg and added to it. I think I will call this Indomie jollof. This is Indomie jollof. I think maybe Indomie actually made this for the Nigerian market, since we are actually used to the jollof rice, you know. So this is actually Indomie jollof. One pack of this is equal to 2 small sizes of this. So I actually prepared for me and my younger sister. I took a portion of this and I'll be fine. And this, and that is just okay. you that I have a new video coming up. Trust me, that video is something that you need to see. As long as you want to like make the best out of your life, you really need to see that video. I got the inspiration today while I was at the salon, so I actually made some notes and I'll be shooting the video one of these days, and I can't wait to share it with you. Like, I can't wait to share it with you. So if you haven't subscribed, please try and subscribe, and if you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. Do not forget to like it and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, why not let me know in the comment section. Do not forget, you can also still send me your hair questions, and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and eat this food because I am starving. I tell you, I starve for you. Okay, so until another time when I will come your way, my name is Idorenyin.francis. Merry Christmas once again. Bye.